In this video, I'm going to show you how to log onto your myCloud account. You should have gotten an email with the subject welcome message, and that would have been from BioCharger NG, the myCloud at biocharger.com. Within that email, it would give you the myCloud website along with your email and your password. So what we're going to do here is put your email in. It is case sensitive. And then we're also going to put your password in. If for some reason you can't remember your password, you can always hit reset password. Put your email in here, click reset, and you should get an email in about 1 to 2 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and put our email and our password in, and it's going to bring us right to our myCloud account.